Are you tired of your hard-earned money slipping through your fingers like sand at the beach? Do complex financial jargons sound like a foreign language to you? Well, you've come to the right place because today, we're going to dive headfirst into the world of financial education. Welcome everyone to our channel dedicated to making finance fun and accessible. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone just looking to get a better handle on their finances, you're in for a treat today. Our mission is to be your conduit of knowledge, bringing you the keys to unlock the mysteries of the financial world and make it relatable, easy to understand, and enjoyable. All right, let's kick things off with one of the fundamental concepts of financial education, budgeting. Ever wondered where your money goes every month? A budget helps you keep track of your income and expenses. It's like a map guiding you through the financial wilderness. But we're not going to bore you with a lecture on spreadsheets. We're making budgeting fun. Think of your budget as your superhero cape, helping you manage your money like a pro. Now, what's next? Investing. This is where your money starts working for you. Investing can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. It's like planting seeds in a garden. Over time, your investments can grow and flourish. We'll break down stocks, bonds, and even throw in some cryptocurrency knowledge. By the end of this video, you'll be the investment guru at your next dinner party. Credit scores and debt. Two things that can make or break your financial future. Your credit score is like your financial report card. We'll show you how to ace it. And when it comes to debt, we'll teach you how to manage it wisely, like a seasoned financial pro. But wait, there's more. Stay with us because by the end of this video, we're going to answer the burning question: what is financial education? We'll wrap it all up and make sure you leave with a crystal clear understanding. Financial education isn't just about making money. It's about securing your future, achieving your goals, and living the life you dream of. So, stick around until the end, because the answer to what is financial education is going to be your golden nugget of knowledge. Now let's get back to the action. Budgeting, investing, credit scores, and debt. It's all coming up and it's going to be an epic journey. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've tackled budgeting, investing, credit scores, and debt. It's been a whirlwind of financial wisdom, but now let's answer the question: what is financial education? Financial education is the key to unlocking your financial potential. It's the roadmap to a brighter, more secure future. It's the tool that empowers you to make informed decisions about your money. In a nutshell, it's your path to financial freedom. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, if you want to build wealth, achieve your dreams, and make the most of your hard-earned money, you're in the right place. Thank you for joining us on this incredible financial education journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, keep learning, stay curious, and let's make finance fabulous together.